Creamy, dreamy, and completely dairy-free. This polenta coconut pudding is warm tropical comfort, topped with caramelized pineapple. Polenta simmers in coconut and plant milk with sugar and vanilla until creamy. Then, it's crowned with caramelized pineapple. Bring the plant milk, coconut milk, sugar and vanilla to a simmer. Then rain in the polenta, whisking as you go. Cook low and slow for 10 to 15 minutes, stirring until thick and creamy. Loosen with a splash more milk. Peel and cube the fresh pineapple into juicy little bite-sized pieces. Melt the brown sugar in a hot pan and caramelize the pineapple until golden, sticky, and glossy. Spoon the creamy polenta into bowls and top with caramelized pineapple, toasted coconut flakes, and fresh mint. Finish with toasted coconut and mint. The full recipe is linked below. Give it a try, and I'll see you in the next one, lovelies.